Does someone on a family visa need a permit to work freelance? So generally speaking, so visa and work are two different concepts, legal concepts. The visa relates to immigration law, and that relates to the person's ability, or expat's ability or right to be in the country legally. The work relates to employment law, and that's about the right to work or do business, either employment law or companies law or business law. So in other words, it's the right to either work or do business legally. So they're sort of separate concept. Now, just because you have a family visa, then of itself does not allow you or disallow you to work. But if you want to work, be it for another company or for your own company or as in the freelance, you should ideally have your own visa. In terms of, not visa, your own license to work. Now, in terms of the license to work, because it's a business license to work, there are lots of different options these days. The best option these days for freelancers is that if you have residence visa, you can apply for what's called an e-trader license, or in many cases, it's used for freelancers. The e-trader license, there are different places where you can obtain this, but one of them, perhaps one of the most streamlined ones and the most accessible is through DED. DED stands for Department of Economic Development. That's the mainland. And there is called an e-trader license. You can apply through the DED Cafe. And it's a license. It's only available for those who already have UAE residence, which is your case. And since you have your UAE residence visa, you go to this DED Cafe. Within an hour, you can get this e-trader license. And it costs about 1,000 dirhams. So it's for 1 year. So that kind of checks all the boxes. Under this scenario, you will have residence visa allowing you to stay in the country. You will have your own freelance license to provide freelance services, and you also have you have a specific license to obviously for the banking purposes. For example, if you're going to be receiving money into the bank account, you'll be able to present this freelance license to justify the income of money into your bank account. So kind of ticks all the boxes. That's the option I recommend.